Hey, welcome back for another video. Right now we're just going to show how to get rid of the MySQL error for the access denied for root at localhost. So once you open up your terminal, by the way, this is only for Linux systems. If you want me to do another operating system, please comment down below. I'll be more than happy to do a video for that. You're going to want to open your terminal and type in sudo MySQL. Now I'm already in the system, so no need for me to do that. You're going to want to type in select user authentication string, comma, plugin host from mysql.user, semicolon. And you're going to see all of your information here. Now, this is where you're going to want to alter certain information. So we're going to want to alter root at localhost identified with MySQL native password by, and this is going to be the new password. For this reason, I will just use password, semicolon. You're going to see that the rows are affected. You're going to want to then flush your privileges. Once that, you're going to want to exit. Once you exit, you're going to want to try to log in, and then you can see you're in there successfully. Thank you so much, guys. Please give a like and hope happy hacking.